If you're seeing the "something went wrong" error on X.com or Twitter, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the issue fast. This problem is often caused by a bad cache, a site data issue, or even a browser extension blocking X from loading correctly. So if X is not opening, keeps refreshing, or gives you that annoying error message, stay with me and follow these steps. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's fix it. First, open X.com in your browser and look at the left side of the address bar. You should see the icon next to the URL, usually a lock icon or a small site information icon. Click that icon to open the site options. From there, go to Site Settings. This section lets you manage the browser permissions and store data for that specific website. Once you're in Site Settings, look for the option to Clear Data. This removes stored site information like cache and cookies that may be preventing X from loading properly. When a website stores corrupted data, it can cause login issues, blank pages, or the "something went wrong" message, so clearing the data is often the quickest fix. After you clear it, close the tab, reopen X.com, and try loading the site again. If the problem is still there, the next step is to try opening X.com in a private or incognito window. This is important because incognito mode starts with a clean session and bypasses a lot of saved browser data that may be causing the issue. It also helps you figure out whether the error is being caused by your normal browser profile. To do this, open a new incognito window, type in X.com, and check if the site loads correctly there. If it works in incognito, then the issue is probably related to your regular browser cache, cookies, or an extension. Now, if X still won't load, another common cause is browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or even certain security add-ons can interfere with how X's scripts run. When that happens, the website may not load properly or may show the "something went wrong" error. So go into your browser's extension settings and toggle them off one by one, or disable all of them temporarily. Then reload X.com and see if the issue is gone. If X loads after disabling extensions, you found the cause. At that point, you can turn the extensions back on one at a time to identify which one is creating the problem. That way you can keep the useful extensions you need and only remove the one that's breaking the site. So to recap, if X.com or Twitter says something went wrong, first clear the site data from the icon next to the address bar, then try the site in an incognito window, and finally disable browser extensions that might be blocking the page. In most cases, one of those 3 steps will get X working again. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.